Let's be honest, nobody dreams of spreadsheets at night. They're not the stuff of fantasies or the things that make our hearts race with excitement. Financial freedom isn't about hoarding cash. It's about choice. It's about having the power to make decisions that align with your values and passions. It's about waking up every morning and deciding how you want to spend your most valuable resource, your time. Imagine starting your day with a smile, knowing you're in control. And right now, that choice is something many people feel they just don't have. The weight of financial stress can be overwhelming. The current system? It feels rigged. Wages are stagnant. People are working harder than ever, but not seeing the rewards. The cost of, well, everything has gone through the roof. Groceries, gas, rent, it all adds up. And let's not even get started on student loan debt. It's a burden that follows you for years, sometimes decades. It's enough to make you want to crawl under your weighted blanket and never come out. The pressure can feel insurmountable. But hold on, because giving up is exactly what they want. They want you to feel defeated. They, by the way, are the giant corporations and sometimes even governments who benefit when you're stuck in survival mode. We deserve better. We deserve freedom. We deserve to thrive, not just survive. And the first step to achieving it is understanding that it's possible. It starts with a mindset shift. Even in this crazy, mixed-up world, financial freedom is within reach. It's about taking small steps every day towards a bigger goal. Remember when your parents told you to buy a house because renting was like throwing money away? They emphasized the importance of owning something tangible, something that could grow in value over time. Well, they were on to something. Home ownership can indeed be a cornerstone of financial stability. Except it's not just about houses. It's about everything. Diversifying your investments is key to financial security. Every month, you're likely paying fees. Bank fees, subscription fees, service fees, or late fees. It never ends. These small amounts add up, eating away at your hard-earned money. You're essentially renting your money from these companies. It's a cycle that keeps you from truly getting ahead. So instead of renting, start owning. Take control of your financial destiny. Invest in assets, which are things that put money back in your pocket. These could be stocks, bonds, gold, cryptocurrency, or even a simple savings account with good interest. Sure, this could be a rental property which provides a steady stream of income, but it could also be stocks, bonds, gold, or mutual funds that grow over time, or even a side business. A small venture can turn into a significant source of income. Take it from Warren Buffett, founder and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, where he states, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." This is a reminder of the importance of passive income. He might sound a little ominous, but he's not wrong. Passive income is crucial for financial freedom. Owning assets is how you build wealth, not just income. It's about creating a financial future where your money works for you. Relying on a single source of income is like putting all your eggs in one basket. And as we've all learned from unfortunate financial experiences, that basket has a tendency to fall. Creating multiple income streams is about diversifying your risk. Think beyond the traditional 9-to-5. Could you freelance on the side, rent out a spare room on Airbnb, monetize a hobby? The internet has opened up a world of possibilities for generating income. Financial guru Suze Orman puts it best. A big part of financial freedom is having your heart and mind free from worry about the what-ifs of life. And that big part is having multiple streams of income flowing into your life. Here's a secret. The best investment you can make is in yourself. Knowledge is power, and in the world of finance, it's also profitable. Take the time to learn about personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. Read books, listen to podcasts, and take online courses. There are countless resources available, and many for free. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. Take Robert Kiyosaki, for example. He did not become successful by chance. With the help and guidance of a wise mentor, he invested in himself, his education, his skills, and his personal growth. As he famously said, "The size of your success is measured by the strength of your desire, the size of your dream, and how you handle disappointment along the way." This is how your financial success will truly become a reality. Here are some secret strategies on breaking free from debt. Debt is the financial equivalent of carrying around a bag of rocks. It's a burden that can feel impossible to shake off. It weighs you down and holds you back from achieving your goals. The stress and anxiety it brings can be overwhelming. The first step to financial freedom is often breaking free from the shackles of debt. This liberation is crucial for a healthier financial future. Start by creating a budget and tracking your expenses. Knowing where your money goes is the foundation of financial control. Identify areas where you can cut back and redirect that money towards paying down debt. Small changes can make a big difference over time. Consider strategies like the debt snowball method, which can help you stay motivated. Focus on paying off your smallest debts first to gain momentum. Each small victory builds confidence and keeps you on track. As Dave Ramsey, the king of debt-free living, says, "Debt is normal, but the truth is that you should not want to be normal. You need to be willing to be weird." He's right. Embracing a debt-free lifestyle may seem unconventional, but it's incredibly rewarding. Being debt-free gives you a sense of control and freedom that no credit card company can offer. It's a journey worth taking for a brighter financial future. The long game of investing involves patience and persistence. Do not think of investing as a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long game and a marathon, not a sprint. The key is to start early, be patient, and stay consistent. Compound interest is your best friend in this game. It's the magic that happens when your money earns interest, and then that interest earns interest, and so on. The longer your money compounds, the more it grows exponentially. Even small, consistent investments can add up to significant wealth over time. As the legendary investor Benjamin Graham said, "The investor's chief problem and even his worst enemy is likely to be himself." Don't let impatience or short-term market fluctuations derail your long-term investment strategy. Here's another secret: building a safety net. Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are good. An unexpected medical bill, a sudden job loss, or a car repair can throw your finances into a tailspin. That's where an emergency fund comes in. An emergency fund is a financial cushion that gives you peace of mind and protects you from going into debt when life throws you a curveball. Aim to have 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved in a separate, easily accessible account. Think of it as your financial safety net. It might not be the most exciting investment, but it's arguably the most important. Your journey to financial freedom starts with your mindset and daily choices. Financial freedom is not a destination, it's a journey. It's about making conscious choices every day to align your actions with your financial goals. It's about taking control of your money so it doesn't control you. Start by educating yourself, creating a budget, and developing a plan. Set realistic goals, track your progress, and celebrate your successes along the way. Remember, you are capable of achieving financial freedom. It will not be easy, but it will be worth it. As Nelson Mandela once said, "It always seems impossible until it's done." So take that first step, and then another and another. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips and advice. Do something today that your future self will surely be thankful for.